All right, looks like we're live. So this week's stream, oh, I got my phone against the cable again. Let me move that. That's the source of that interference. Yeah, so this will be basically just a status update. Yeah, this will be a fairly brief stream, just keeping up the cadence of once a week. So this is old news, but in case you're seeing this for the first time, the next hearing date is May 26th. So that'll be my next update on the rent eviction situation, so I'm good until then. The next important question is, when is the next video coming out? That's what you've all been waiting for. I've been pretty quiet on videos lately. I've been posting a lot the daily posts to keep up the activity on the channel, but I think they're getting a bit repetitive. So once I get this video out, which is a pretty long video, then I'll be able to get back to some more interesting shorter form content. So the video I'm currently working on, script, is 100% complete. That was the biggest one, was working on the script. The filming is about 90% complete. The first pass of the edit is around 85% complete, and the second pass of the edit is about 55% done. There's some keyframes and stuff to put in. Yeah, I think I got a lot of the major ones done on the second pass. So the optimistic ETA is that I may have it done sometime this week. And I guess the other updates are, I didn't really plan any content for the rest of the stream, but so last stream I did, I worked on the block mining simulation game for a bit, and then I guess once I got working on that, after I stayed up until like 1 a.m. to try and there's a couple, someone mentioned a bug actually in yeah, I fixed that actually in here. Yeah, someone found that I had a makefile for the JNI library. I had hard-coded reference to the Java version, and they were on ARM, or they were on ARM instead of AMD. So that didn't work. So this update should make that generic. And then I also found another bug. Yeah, so in the process of building the JNI, I just pass in whatever Maven thinks the Java home is, and then it should run with that correctly. I guess I can't read that name. Hey nerds, how's it going? 3 a.m. 5:47. That's past your bedtime. Peter Fox Ooh says, I guess that's a emoji for I don't know. I'm not sure what to describe that emoji. Eyes. It's supposed to be eyes, isn't it? 5 says, "Hey Robert, how's it going?" Yeah, so nothing super exciting for this stream. I probably won't even stream very long. It's mainly just to get in the. I've been doing every Saturday for. I've been keeping up this pattern for quite a while now, so I'll have to go back and look. I don't think I've missed a single Saturday in like. It's quite a few months now, so I might as well give the update, status update, at least for the week, and then I think once I get the next video out, then I can maybe I'll maybe plan around some more interesting streams. Let's see, maybe I'll just review the maybe even for my own purpose. So let's use this. Might keep this on for sleeping. I probably won't stay on that long. This is mainly just to keep on my weekly cadence. Yeah. So last time, someone found the bug in the JNI build process, so I fixed that, and then the other thing I was messing with was trying to build, because I want to transition from just the pure command line stuff. I want to develop the capability to be able to build within like an IDE, like I guess IntelliJ in this case. So the issue I was having last time, if this will load, videos are awesome. I'm just here, show appreciation. Oh, thank you for the kind words. Yeah, so this, the issue, I figured out the issue. So the issue I was having was, if I tried to build the project, let's see. Yeah. So if I did, Maven clean, and then if we do run, yeah, so it complains because the JNI library does not get built. And I figured out that the issue is in this build plugin. The reason this only builds on the command line is because I guess this references a Maven phase, and the process dash classes, that Maven phase does not run when you run it through this run configuration. I guess so. It just I'm not 100% sure of how this hooks into it, but I guess it presumably just does, like, build and package and stuff. And I was kind of interested. I was kind of confused how that worked, because there's actually some, like, when I run under the command line, there's a bunch of like Spring Boot repackage and stuff like that, and the Spring Boot repackage is not running. It's not in here. And so I'm pretty sure that's the reason for it. And I think what I would actually have to do is, there's a build process here for Maven. So then I would think I would need to, and it's interesting, it doesn't have that process classes Maven lifecycle is not, it's like implicit from something else, but I guess it doesn't run, at least in this default application way of doing it. So I have to, I found out I can actually put a big long command here to run it. I basically just copy and paste it from my script, and I can put it in here and get it to build. And then there was another another thing. Let's see. Oh yeah, modify options. Oh yeah, there's another thing here. Another issue I had was once I actually got it to build, it was not. It was hanging in the terminal, and that was because the build output window, the place where it actually runs, is not by default. It's not a TTY. So it was trying to echo the characters and trying to measure how wide characters are, and that would never return anything because there was no TTY to respond. And there's an option somewhere. Run options. Oh yeah, there we go. Emulate terminal. Yeah, so I added that, and then that actually made it work. It would fully compile and run the game directly in the terminal. Yeah, so that was basically. I haven't thought about this since I figured it out last week at 1 a.m. But that was the. Actually, maybe for good measure, I'll try to get this working. Let's see. Yeah, I think I just copied and pasted this. Will this work? Oh wait, do I have to? I guess I probably just built it, but it's not running. Oh, I think there's. Oh, I need to hit run, I think. Unknown lifecycle run. think it was something like this. Maybe. I forgot. Hopefully that was it. Nice. That was it. There you go. There's the highly versatile block mining simulation game running in directly in the IDE. Now, it's bugged. There's some bugs in here. Can't believe how much you rely on mouse. Please learn Vim, motions, regardless of your IDE. Can't imagine how much it will boost your. Oh, actually, I'm doing the opposite. Normally I code in Vim, but right now I'm learning the IDE. So normally I do all this in Vim, but yeah, that's what I've been spending the last few weeks on, trying to figure out how to set up all this stuff. Because a lot of the AI integrations and stuff that exist now, those exist only within IDEs. So I want to get myself so I can. I think in the ideal case, there is actually a Vim plugin for this. Although I turned it off because it's I'm used to Vim in the pure command line, but I find it's kind of it's jarring in this because I want to when I want to copy and paste, it messes me up. But I'm in the process of changing my workflow. NeoVim, I've never tried NeoVim before. I guess I don't even know. I technically don't even know what it offers over Vim. I think it kind of NeoVim I think was released like after I learned Vim and had been using it for a while. But yeah, anyway, so the block mining game, it does work, but it has there's some UI bugs, as you can see right here. But if I run it with actually there's actually that was one thing I had issues with. There's a command line flag I can add here to pass parameters to it. I forget what that is, but anyway, I guess this yeah, so I did not forget what I accomplished last night at 1 a.m. after the stream edited. So it is possible to run the block mining simulation game directly in the IDE, and that's basically, I think, everything I wanted to talk about in the stream. And I may actually call it a night for this stream, even though it's pretty short, and I'm going to work on getting the next video finished and hopefully have it released soon. Vim motions, regardless of IDE. Yeah, I'm in Vim right now. That's my primary editor. But there is a plugin for a Vim plugin for this, which I may use it in the future. Right at the moment, I haven't done a lot of coding in the IDE. I've just been kind of working on figuring out how to actually build it and do the Maven lifecycle and stuff like that. Anyway, I think I will call it a night and get back to work. And I will see you guys next week. Later.